Don't you like yourself?
Of course I do. I love myself.
Does Mark often challenge himself with difficult puzzles?
Yes, he challenges himself regularly. Have you painted the room by yourself?
No, I hired a professional painter to do it.
Did she introduce herself at the party?
No, she didn't, because she was feeling shy.
Has he been taking care of himself lately?
Yes, he has been eating well and exercising regularly.
Does she blame herself for the mistake at work?
Yes, and she has taken responsibility for it.
Did they prepare the dinner themselves?
Yes, they love to cook.
They decided to challenge themselves by running a marathon.
They will need to train a lot.
Does the software update itself automatically?
No, the software requires manual updates by the user.
Is the plant capable of watering itself?
No, it needs to be manually watered by the gardener.
Have you prepared yourselves for the exam?
Yes, we have been studying regularly. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, please like it and subscribe our channel. We are always happy to create new content for you.